Like any other technology, software can fail, leading to consequences like lost productivity, lost data, and even lost revenue. Software maintenance is necessary to mitigate these issues, but you can take one of two approaches: proactive maintenance or reactive repairs. We use the proactive maintenance approach at SupplyMover. Here's why we think it's the better approach. Reactive repairs are usually done after a problem has occurred and the damage has been done. It might already sound self-explanatory that this isn't the smart option, but actually, this is the traditional way to fix software, especially if it lives on premises. With this method, the downtime means loss of sales and productivity while your team can't access the system, not to mention any permanent data loss from the issues. So they're not only disruptive, but costly, even outside of just the repair cost. Proactive maintenance is a preventative approach that involves identifying and addressing potential software issues before they become major problems. It means regular maintenance tasks such as software updates, security patches, and backups. Proactive maintenance can avoid that costly downtime and lost productivity, and can also find issues and fix them before they cause significant damage. It can even improve the overall performance and longevity of the software. SaaS, like a cloud-based or subscription-based CRM, will often provide proactive maintenance. When you're paying monthly for SaaS, you usually don't have to worry about fixing issues or getting updates, because the service will do this for you. In the end, you save substantially on startup costs and future maintenance, which are generally enormously expensive with other options. Another important factor to consider is that not all SaaS CRMs will offer proactive maintenance, and you should look carefully at any deals before you decide what CRM to go with. And like we said, SupplyMover knows proactive maintenance is the way to go. If you're a distributor looking for a CRM or e-commerce, please check us out. To schedule a demo, click below or try exploring your industry's page on our website first. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.